Welcome to Art and Animation Tutor. In this tutorial we are going to learn about Surreal glass sphere effect. Open an image. Make a copy of background layer. And name the layer as background copy. Add a new layer by pressing on plus icon. Go on new layer. Now using elliptical marquee tool select a sphere area as shown in the video. Color the sphere with black. Place the background copy layer at the top of the layers. Select background copy layer. Go to Filter tab and click on Distort. Select Spherize. A property box will pop up. Keep amount 100 and mode to normal. Hit OK. You will see a spherical appearance of the image according to the properties applied. Now using Transform Control. Match the selection with the circle. Hold Shift to transform non-proportionally. Now drag cursor on sphere layer and press Ctrl. Apply mask on background copy. Add a new layer. Now drag a mouse on sphere and press Ctrl, the circle will get select. Select brush tool and paint the sphere's one side black as shown in video. Now to brighten the highlight use white color. Follow the steps. Select soft light from the layer blending mode. Change the opacity value. You can see the result. Now right-click on background copy layer and select blending options. A property box will pop up. Select inner glow. Change the properties as shown in the video. Add one more new layer. Again we will add some shadow and highlights using brush tool. Apply overlay blending mode. Change the opacity value. Add a new layer. To add a shadow at the bottom of sphere select a soft round brush. Go to the dark side of the image and draw a shadow. Move the shadow with Move tool. Change the size with Free Transform tool. Change the fill value as shown in the video. You can see a surreal glass sphere with shadow. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to comment what you want to learn next. We will make a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. If you like our tutorial do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to get notification on new tutorial upload.